In the last session, we learned how to control and edit camera shots. Today, I will teach you how to add elements in post-production. Do you envy others for having high-quality post-production effects in their videos? But you don't even know how to use professional editing software. With Rendora, you don't have to envy others anymore, because we provide a wealth of high-quality packaging options, and the best part is, it's so easy to use that even beginners can master it in no time. After clicking 3D Generate and previewing the complete video, you can add a variety of packaging effect by clicking Element. On the video packaging page, you can freely use any packaging materials without spending a single credit. Music is the soul of a video. It can enhance its emotional impact. Click on Audio in the library, where a wide variety of music genres can be chosen. To quickly listen to a preview, simply click on the play button. If the music meets your needs, tap the add icon to add it onto the timeline. You can also edit the music by selecting it under Video Timeline, then adjusting its values such as volume and fade in out on the right-hand toolbar. No music that fits your taste? Go ahead and import your own musics. Just click My to upload them. It works the same way for importing sound effects. Subtitles are also very important. You can choose the perfect subtitle based on your favorite color scheme. Hover over the icon on the subtitle to preview its effect. Starting to like it? Tap on the subtitles to apply. To modify subtitle parameters, click on them in the timeline. You can then change the font size or color and perform advanced adjustments on the right side. Have you ever wondered how they make fancy, brash text overlays in their videos? In the text template section, you can create similar effects too. Just like selecting subtitles earlier, we can first preview the text effects, then simply drag and drop them into the video. Selecting the text on the screen allows us to move it freely, or make further changes on the right side. Moreover, Rendora offers a rich variety of stickers, fine intros and outros. They will always satisfy your needs. Alright, the final session has come to an end. We've now completed the entire beginner's guide. Let's take a look at the final results of our learning.
Hello, I am Shirley, the sales director at Pet Vogue Company, encompassing pet toys, accessories, and food. This commitment to quality has been the cornerstone of our rapid growth in recent years. With a 15% increase in market share and a 20% surge in total sales revenue. I am truly looking forward to connecting with you and exploring opportunities for collaboration.
Congratulations, you have now grown into an excellent Rendora video creator. See you in the next series of courses.